Whether we're invited to a holiday party and asked to bring something, or we're hosting our own, we often get stressed out just thinking about what to make. Well, worry no more, because today we have an all-time favorite that's really dressed up. We start by drizzling some melted butter in the bottom of a 9x13 baking dish. On top of that, we sprinkle some chopped walnuts, a bit of honey, and a good amount of brown sugar. We'll set that aside for a sec while we unroll a package of refrigerated crescent dough, which is a lot easier than making your own dough, so it's super convenient. After cutting each piece in thirds, we place a cocktail hot dog or Little Smoky on each piece and roll them up. We place these on top of the brown sugar walnut mixture, making sure we space them out so they have plenty of room to bake. Then just pop them in the oven for about 15 minutes before serving them. That's it. What we end up with is everyone's favorite taken to a whole new level. And when you top these with the ooey gooey goodness from the pan, get ready to hand out the recipe. And as always, you can find it on the station's website or MrFood.com. Just search for Dressed Up Weenie Wellingtons. And as you can imagine, these are always the first to go. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen with Kelly, who's always the first one to show up as soon as these come out of the oven. After all, she too, like you, looks for every reason to say, ooh, it's so good. Hey, that's my line.